and welcome back to the Hacienda, people. I do appreciate you stopping by again. Today we're going to make something delicious from Sweden. We have this beautiful salmon fillet here, whole fillet, which we are going to do a taste-off between the Heta Fisken that Laura sent me, and the Tösaröra, the girl spice. And Heta Fisken means hot fish. So what we're going to do is I'm going to cut this fillet into quarters. We're going to do 2 with one rub, 2 with the other, and then we're going to have a taste off. So stick with me and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, I got them cut up, and what we're going to do before spicing them is we're going to drizzle them a little bit with some olive oil and paint it on. I've placed the pieces of fish on a foil that I've shot with cooking spray, and we're going to bake them in the oven so there's no adulteration of smoke or charcoal or anything else. And now the spice. On the left, these two will be the Heta Fisken, and on the right will be the Tösaröra. They both smell absolutely gorgeous. Now let's go ahead and put them in a 400-degree oven. And here we go. Deliciousness on a platter. Oh my goodness. Let's get a close-up shot of that. That is the Tösaröra, the girl spice. And this is the hot fish. I can't remember how to pronounce that. But served in a traditional kind of way with fresh cucumber and tomato. Let's go ahead and try it. Alright, so here we go. First one, Heta Fisken. Oh my. Oh god, that's so steamy. Hope I don't burn myself. Delicious. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That is made for fish. Heta Fisken. Alright. Let's try Tösaröra. Hope I'm pronouncing her right. Oh. Let's check this out. Both absolutely gorgeous. I don't know which one I like better. They're both designed for fish. Although this one, the girl one, was said to be good with chicken too. I'm sure it would be. But the Heta Fisken has got some heat to it. They weren't kidding when they said chili powder, and it is good. So, Lars, I pronounce them a tie. I love them both. Thanks a lot for sharing, people, and thanks for stopping by. Y'all take care.